2019 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, compass, CD player, fog lights, trip computer, overhead console, power moonroof, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, leather seats, panic alarm. Come take a test drive today.